Good evening, students. My name is Sahadev Kumar Sharma. I am from Success Mantra Educate, Jalandhar, Punjab, India. Dear students, we are committed to give you the best videos for your IELTS exam, and today I am going to have another video in which I am going to discuss very special segment that what are the basic criterias where you can get your good bands, right? We all know that there are basically four criterias on which your band score is basically based. If I talk about your IELTS writing, so they look for your lexical resources. We call it LR. It is lexical resources. That means the word power you are going to do. Okay. And the second is your grammar plus range. They say it GR. Then they go for task response. They say TR. And they say CC. This is cohesion and cohesiveness. According to my understanding, whenever we are writing task 1 or task 2, these all four segments, they are scored around 25% of your marks each, right? If LR is good, you can get 25 marks. So we know that there are only 9 bands in our writing, or we can say in our speaking, right? So if we divided 9 into 4 different segments, so 25 each, they have this score, means 25 is your percentage, your score of your IELTS score is LR, 25 is GR, 25 is TR, and 25% is your CC, right? I will have exclusive videos on all four, and today what exclusively I am going to discuss, it will be purely related to GR, right? Why I am specifically discussing this video at number 1. I will discuss all the 4 segments one by one in the next videos. Today we are just going to focus what is GR. Most of the students are totally ignorant about what they know. They know that it is only grammar. Okay, no doubt. Grammar plays very significant role in your scores, irrespective of your module, right? So grammar, we know, in grammar we have tenses, we have prepositions, we use articles, or we use models, right? This is the basic grammar, right? It should be very correct one. But what is this range? What I understand from this, or what you understand from this is hardly spoken in any of the IELTS videos. What is range? It is very exclusively what I understood for the last 1 decade of my teaching in IELTS. So what I understood what is range. When I read lot of lot of essays of task 2 of world renowned writers, and they claim that they got 8.5 or they got 9, they all had those things in there. This is what this video is going to make you, the exclusive video, exclusive knowledge, which perhaps you may not be ignorant, but if you get the knowledge here today, you are going to definitely get good bands. So be with me. I request you to be with me till last, because a lot of ideas will be coming in my mind. I will be discussing one by one. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and give me the valid comments for my improvement also. Thank you. Okay, we will start with range. What is range? My dear students, 99% chances are there, again I repeat, 99% chances are there that our task 2, which is very crucial, weightages of 6 bands, right, is basically is in present tense. 99%. I hardly see that they have given, or they sometimes they may give something of futuristic, right? Most of the cases it may come in the present tense. Now what is range? Range means we have to use present indefinite. Okay, we have to use present indefinite. Some sentences we have to use present continuous. Some sentences we have to use present perfect, and some sentences we must use present perfect continuous. Up to this everybody knows, right? This is what we are going to have variety, right? Now what is the fifth one? We have to use some compound sentences. I have already made one video, link will be there in the I button. You can go and discuss about, you can see about this compound, right? And secondly, you have to use some of the complex structures. Some of the complex structures, I will make one video on complex structures also. And last segment which you have to do, that is your passive, right? If you don't know active passive, you have to go for the passive. Now till now, some of our students, those who are watching this video, it clearly shows that you wanted to really improve your writing and speaking skills, right? That's why you are watching this video till now. So if, my dear students, if we are using all these ranges, we can say the 7 different segments you are giving to the examiner, right? Now for example, if I am talking about BP1 in your task 2, hardly we write around 10 to 12 lines, so we will get the length of around 120 words, which are sufficient for a BP, right? If in this BP, if we give 2-3 sentences of present indefinite, 1 or 2 sentences of present continuous, 1 or 2 of this, 1 or 2 of this, 1 or 2 complex, 1 or 2 compound, 1 or 2 passive. My dear students, examiner has no mind to cut your marks from anywhere. Your grammar is correct and your range is sufficient. Range means like in India, sometimes we go to restaurants and we purchase, we call it thali. So we purchase it, the full thali means it has various ingredients in this, right? So we don't specifically order for something. So we say that you give us the combo pack. In thali we can say that in the local language we can say the combo pack, right? So they are going to give us 7 different ingredients, 7 different dishes in this, 7 of different varieties, okay? For example, this, okay? This they are going to give us bread, okay? There they will give us some chicken. Here they will give us some cheese. Here they will give onion also. They will give some curd also. They can give us some Swedish also, or they can give us any other dish also. So once this package is combo, means everything is available in this package which I basically need. I cannot take the full bowl of chicken without any bread. I cannot take full bread without any curry. Okay. And I also need some cheese also. I also need some salad also in between. I also need a glass of water also. So this is the complete package. What we are serving to the examiner, sometime we are in the mood and we use lot of present continuous. Every sentence is starting with ing, ing, ing. No, my dear students, this is not going to serve us the purpose. My examiner will come to know that I know only few of the range of the English. According to my perception, according to my knowledge, these are the 7 key range factors. You have to use this in your particularly speaking as well as in your writing. Or that too specifically task 2. And speaking, especially in case of your cue card, if you're using these all 7 segments at a time, definitely you're going to get the better scores. If, my dear students, you have any doubt that what is compound, what is complex, how to make the passive, kindly give me remarks in your comments. I will definitely teach you through the videos. You need not to struggle here and there. This is my wish that I make such an exclusive video, and after that you don't need to understand much more. You need not to struggle in your life, right? If we are following this, definitely we are going to get the good bands. So this was the video from me today. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and give me the comments. I always look forward for your comments. Even my mobile number is there. Any corner of the world, you can call me. You can ask me anything. I also take online classes. My online classes are starting from 0830 AM to 0930 AM according to Indian time. Okay. If you are interested, if you need any guidance, you can join my online classes. I teach like this only, so that my students gets best of me. I'm a teacher. My basic objective of life is to develop your life. That's why I make some personality development videos also. So for this night, okay, please next time focus on this. If you don't know something in this, learn from your teachers. If still you need some assistance from me, please add 91 code before my mobile number. 91 code is +91 is Indian code. So you can call me, or any corner of India you can call me, and you can take your tips from me, and I will definitely love to guide you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.